happening. I'm like, dude, quit swinging. Wait for it to bend it over. That like this. Got him.
And don't horse anybody.
Dang, I wouldn't even.
Be a better fish.
I didn't even reel it.
Nice.
Yeah. We'll literally. I think you'll start catching a few shad now. Another blowhead. They say right in here's where we seen them jumping at. Holy smokes, that's a drum, I think, ain't it?
Big drum.
Holy shit! Showtime. He almost looks like he's crappie fishing out the front.
Well, they might be.
You got a rod vertical straight out. Well, this is a test of my microphone I got on for the wind.
About 5'4", so he's about a 4 3/4.
1 3/4. Well, I was pretty daggone good by that jumping out there saying 5.
Nice healthy big belly on him. Look.
What are we gonna do with him?
Oh, let him go. He's not big enough to.
Oh, it's gotta be 5'3".
It's gotta be 5'5".
Okay, gotcha. Bye bye, fishy.
All right. But I can use him. And this is.
Oh, there you go, Mark.
There he is. He's on there.
Look at there. Now, will you need me helping you net that, Mark?
No.
Okay.
Unless I tell you.
Okay. Fishing 101. Learned something today. He seems like he might go 3-4 pounds.
He's probably a 3-pounder.
Not what we want, but it's a fish.
He's not very long, but he's healthy.
Bye bye, Mr. Fishy. Well, that's 2 fish in 15-20 minutes if somebody wants to watch the time on the video.
I got one hitting this one.
I seen him. Bam.
He's trying. He got her.
Yep. There he goes. Now he's on there. Fish on. I got that whole bite.
I just hold them for a few seconds.
Gotcha.
Let them get their steam out.
Yeah, I'm watching you.
No reason to start cranking on them.
Yep, that first one I almost ripped him off the hook.
Yeah, so.
Mark.
Attaboy, here's the.
Oh, he's peeling line.
Oh, okay, now that's the fish we want right there.
I'm just holding him.
Yeah, you just hold him. All right. Mine's inside. I'm going to crank mine now.
Okay.
Yours looks like a better one. So just,
I haven't even reeled.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll keep the line tight, but.
Keep a tight line on him. Oh, boy. I'm trying to horse mine now. All of a sudden, he's getting bigger.
This one's coming over this line, but
that's all right.
We're good. I'm good.
Mine ain't that big. Mine's a 3 probably.
Mine don't feel.
Bad fish. But I'm going to lean on mine. You just, move it over. There you go. Attaboy, you get it.
He sure ripped some line off when he first hit.
Yeah, that's all right. You just keep a tight line on him. All right. Dude, my fish is not that bad either.
Hey, yours is a good one.
I'm gonna just lift mine in.
Yours might go. Hey, Mark, look at this, Mark. Oh God, he's pulled. That might be a snag. No, this is a good fish right here, buddy. This one here's peeling line again.
Remember I talked about clusterfuck chaos?
Grab this one right here between my legs.
This one, all right?
This one I got on here feels like about 6 or 7.
All right, hold on. All right, I'm just leaving this guy in there.
He peeled line when he hit too, buddy. I'm just barely holding him.
Stay right there.
I'm just trying to keep him out of the.
Stay right there.
Peel more line.
It's all right, it's all right.
Now I ain't touched your drags. There's wherever you had them set at.
All right, I'm gonna squeeze right in.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
But you gotta hold them out.
I'm gonna bring him over this way. I probably gotta crank down a few more.
Crank down. See if we do a lift. This is what we call a sneak attack.
Wow, he is as big as I thought he was.
Nope.
You got one. Don't touch the screen. You know how to do it. Uh-oh.
All right, smile. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
All right.
Just shake him loose. Yeah, don't drop my boga.
But yeah.
I'm gonna get this guy up here.
Ah.
I think he's still on there.
Voila! There he is.
Yeah, he's on. Tight line on.
Is that right?
Pretty close to it.
It definitely works.
Oh, now look at this.
Which one?
What's wrong? See
Wow.
what's wrong?
Oh, that's why. You called that one, didn't you?
I was like,
Now he's going to go back the other way.
it's on there, but well, we're
Getting close to the hot spot.
yeah, we're right in the zone now, pretty close.
Blunk. See you, bye. I believe that was a 9. There you go. Whoa, shit. Uh-oh. There's your other one, Mark. Ah.
I think he's still on there.
Voila!
Dead? You can't
What's
check them in, can you?
No.
No, Get on the board somewhere. We will. We got a few hours still.
St. Mary's in probably 10 years.
I mean, I know.
Did you go to that last one? There he is. Finally. Ooh, that looks like a little better fish, maybe. Did you go to that last one, Mark?
Oh yeah.
Did you?
Here, go. Here, take this one.
This one? He can. Yeah, I watch all his videos too.
Did this one just come off?
Did it? Here, take this one back if you did. Yep. Here, you can have this one back.
Is that 13?
I might be 14. 19. Good day for the time we was out here. You said it sucks. I thought it was pretty daggone good.
Good.
Go ahead. That's all you need. That's all you need, really.
Yeah. It's rated for a 175, but
Yeah.
140. This boat is heavy as fuck.
Man.
Dude, when I
What is that? 115?
the one's 140.
140?
It's a 4-stroke, so it's not torque-wise. It's not heavy on the torque.
Okay.
I was having trouble getting it to lift, so I had to go to a 4-blade prop. So I lose a little bit there,
Lose a little bit of speed, yeah.
but at least I can get it up. You know, and it's up.
I think it runs great.
Well, shit, that right there is the Helix 7.
Yeah.
That's got side in.
They got an 11 out now, don't they?
Well, yeah. I mean, you can.
Is that the newest one, the 11?
Well, there's a 10. There's
Oh.
a 10. There's another heron over there on the right.
Yeah, little bitty one.
I got any luck out there?
A lot of little ones.
That's all we've been catching too.
All right, you too, bud.